Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate dark mode in Coinbase, since some people have no idea that Coinbase even had the option to turn itself into dark mode. So in today's video I'm going to show you how all that is done, and the steps are quite actually simple. Simply start by opening Coinbase. And now that it's open, you can see that it's into light mode. So we are going to turn it into dark mode. So simply come and then click here on the three dots in the corner. And now as you can see we have all these tools to work with. So simply click here on Profile and Settings. And now as you can see we have all these tools to work with. So simply slide down to the display section. And then click here on the appearance button. And now as you can see we have been given so many tools relating to dark mode and light mode. And now as you can see it's set to light mode. So let's click here on dark mode. Now as you can see it has been set to dark mode. And so everything has been set to dark mode in this app. So from now on your phone will match your device's theme however you like. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.